Everyone, welcome back again to my channel Sapna Master IELTS. This video is for the students who are going to appear on 29th April, 20th April, 15th April and even in the month of May, and they are worried about their cue cards and their IELTS speaking. I am going to give you a perfect one structure for all the cue cards. एक ही structure होगा for every cue card and you have to use it. You have to prepare accordingly and definitely you can score 7+ bands. So let's quickly start with the first thing, how to elaborate the cue card for 2 minutes. Many of the students, they find this problem that they do not get the ideas. हम दो techniques करेंगे. The first technique is PPF technique. Now what does it mean? PPF means past, present and future. It means I will first of all talk about the past tense, means I will give you examples, so don't worry about it. Suppose आपके पास कोई cue card है which is related to the past tense. ज़्यादातर हमारे पास cue cards हैं वो जो past tense से ही related आते हैं. So we have to work on this. हमारी second form जो है वो बहुत strong होनी चाहिए. Then we will relate it with the present tense. आजकल आप उसको कैसे use करेंगे और आप उसको फ्यूचर के साथ एंड अप करेंगे. यू विल टॉक अबाउट कि फ्यूचर टेंस में आप उसको रेकमेंड कर रहे हैं या फ्यूचर में आप उसके बारे में क्या करेंगे. सो इफ यू यूज ऑल दीज टेंसेज इन योर क्यू कार्ड, डेफिनेटली you can score well. You can score 7+ bands easily. Similarly, हमारी second technique होगी begin, explain and finish. Begin means you are going to start from something. We are going to start a story. Then you will explain that story and you have to finish that. ये तीन चीजें आपको याद रखनी है. In this way you can continue with this. Now, how can you elaborate? You can elaborate this. You can cook up the story with help of WH words. आपको WH words के साथ example portray करना है. Like, you can give examples with the help of which, where, when. ये आपके cue cards के ये main points है, highlights है जो आपको use करने हैं. So I am giving you one example and that example is related to this one, where I am going to talk about begin. Suppose I want to talk about a book. Well, being a bibliophile, I have read a plethora of intriguing, interesting, thrilling, adventurous books. You can talk about anything. Intriguing बोलना है, interesting बोलना है, thrilling बोलना है, adventurous books. But here I am going to talk about one such book that I received from my grandfather. Now, I am going to mention one incident which is related to that particular book, which I can recall now. You can talk about to the best of my recollection. You can also say going down the memory lane, and you can discuss I can recall now, which I am going to discuss. Now you have to give two stories related to the question, what kind of book it was, and you have to weave a story, you have to cook up a story related to it. It can be book कोई भी हो सकती है which was given by your grandfather. So it can be a thematic बुक जिसकी कोई थीम है, जिसका कोई मैसेज है जो आपका डीप इम्पैक्ट आपके ऊपर पड़ा है, आप वो भी बता सकते हैं. एंड यू हैव टू गिव एग्जाम्पल्स रिलेटेड टू दैट कि आपने उससे क्या क्या सीखने को मिला. नाउ इन दिस थिंग आपको एडजेक्टिव सबसे ज्यादा आने चाहिए. Whatever the cue card is, अगर आपके पास adjectives हैं, so particularly आपके bands उसी के मिलेंगे. And at last हमें last में खत्म करना नहीं आ रहा होता है. That is why at last I feel nostalgic while discussing about जो भी topic होगा उसके बारे हम यहाँ पे बोलेंगे. And describing examples, I'll recommend this जो भी topic होगा to my friends and relatives. और what I'll do with this book in the future, तो आप उसके साथ ऐसे explain कर सकते हैं. Similarly, you can talk about any movie, you can talk about anything, any particular possession that you have. सेम आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं ऐसे ही, एंड यू कैन गिव द स्टोरी एंड एट द एंड यू कैन recommend it to the other person. So this is the proper structure for each and every kind of cue card, and where you can score 7+ bands easily. So all the best, use this method.